Akala nila, Christianity will take away their freedom. Pero in reality, God is trying to rescue them. But they do not understand. Because humanity is spiritually ignorant, sabi ni Pablo. Yung pangatlong charge is that he does not seek God. Sabi diyan, there is none who seeks for God. Ibig sabihin, no one is seeking for God. He is not seeking God because meron siyang rebellious na heart. And yung idea dito in the original language ng word na seek is seeking earnestly, intensely, and personally. But, wait, Pastor, hindi ba sinabi ng Bible na mag-seek tayo sa Diyos? Diba sa Jeremiah 29:13, you will seek me and find me when you search me with all your heart. Matthew 7:7, sabi niya, ask and it will be given to you, seek and you will find, knock and it will be open to you. Sa Hebrews 11:6, sabi niya ng Diyos, God rewards those who seek Him. So si Pablo ba is contradicting etong mga passage na ito? Not at all. And maganda yung sinabi ni Thomas Aquinas. Thomas Aquinas, nabuhay siya during yung Middle Ages. Sabi niya, we confuse two similar things, yet different human actions. We see people searching desperately for peace of minds, relief from guilt, meaning and purpose to their lives, and loving acceptance. We know that ultimately these things can only be found in God. Therefore, we conclude that since people are seeking these things, they must be seeking after God. People do not seek God. They seek after the benefits that only God can give them. The sin of fallen man is this: man seeks the benefits of God while at the same time fleeing from God Himself. We are by nature fugitives.